You want to feel good mentally, physically, and in your relationships. Everybody does. My name's Yuna, and this newsletter by You Are Unlocked is designed to support you in doing that. You see, everybody wants to be healthy because unhealthy emotions like fear, self-doubt, and anxiety hold us back from achieving our goals. Waking up tired in the morning and feeling like you need a coffee just to function makes life feel like a challenge. And feeling misunderstood, socially disconnected, or lonely is emotionally stressful. So we all want to be healthy. But oftentimes we don't have hours to spend searching online for how to do that. A simple online search like "how do I stay healthy" brings up millions of articles, often with different opinions, making it hard to know what's right for you, let alone putting that into action. So what happens? We don't even try. It's too stressful, so we don't even try. In fact, a YouGov poll on 2,086 people found that 35% of people don't make diet and exercise changes they know they should because they're too tired. And 38% of people don't because they lack motivation. So a lot of people don't even try. But ignoring our health does lead to places, and those places aren't good. Let's take a look at some statistics about health that aren't good. In the United States of America, over 75% of people aged 35 to 64 have a chronic disease, states the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, which is the national public health agency run by the government. The World Health Organization estimates over 1 billion people are living with a mental health condition. Conditions like depression and anxiety are the second leading reason for long-term disability. And a Meta-Gallup survey showed that 24% of people worldwide are distressed by feelings of loneliness. So we as humanity need to explore ways that can make positive changes in our health without getting overwhelmed with hours of research. And that's what our newsletter at You Are Unlocked is designed to help support you with by simply clicking the subscribe button in the link below. Our newsletter is different, built on 3 unique pillars that aim to help you explore ways to further healthy living and track your progress. These pillars are, firstly, a tip for different parts of your life. Each month, you'll get a mental, physical, and social health tip. That way you don't need to go to different places to explore these areas. We'll package it all in one place for you. The mental tip is designed to offer you strategies for handling stress and explore ways to feel more balanced. The physical tip is designed to offer you ideas for increased energy levels. And the social tip is designed to offer you tools that could create more meaningful connections in your life. Each month you'll get an email summary for when you're short on time, and then a link to the full newsletter version for when you have more time to read in detail and look at the scientific evidence. That way you can fit it into your schedule no matter how busy you are. The second pillar of this newsletter is manageable updates to support real change. Lots of people start their health journey with huge amounts of motivation and so much excitement, and then they burn out. That's often because of information overload from things like weekly updates that feel like too much to do. but our newsletter is sent monthly on purpose. Monthly is often enough for you to notice any changes and track them in real time, but spaced out enough for you to follow along easily without getting overwhelmed. Plus, each month you'll get a printable progress tracker. That way you can note down any changes you see in written form, helping you reflect in real time. And finally, the third pillar of our newsletter is grounded in research. Each month you'll get tips grounded in research. We gather information from the top health and wellness news worldwide, condense it and put it in a way that'll be easy for you to explore and apply. But just because it will be easy for you to explore these ideas doesn't mean we've cut corners. Where relevant, we'll include scientific explanations and references so you can see the background behind each tip. That way you can trust that we're not just sending you opinions. We're sending you ideas to explore, grounded in science. So subscribe to the You Are Unlocked newsletter as a way to explore health tips for your mental, physical, and social life. And you can trust that we are passionate about sending you tips and resources that could help you navigate your mental, physical, and social well-being. I'm mental health first aid trained, and I bring that knowledge to the tips that we'll share with you for your mental and social well-being. I also studied biochemistry in university and have been on a personal fitness journey for over 5 years. And I use that experience to inform the tips we share for physical wellness. By subscribing, you could save time and money by having us gather the research and deliver it to you, and access tools to help take care of your social connections, all in one place. Subscribe to the You Are Unlocked newsletter for your monthly practical health tips.